should be doing better in the future is tailoring the training that Coach Hewitt, that our personalized coach does, more to the situational side of things. I think right now uHIT has really found, you know, a lot of success, and it's been great in terms of making each pitch totally independent from the previous one, right? Sometimes it could be a curveball away, sometimes it could be a slider in, but it won't be count dependent, right? You're getting anywhere from 6 to 12, 18 pitches in a sitting, and we're just really evaluating how well you see in different parts of the zone, how well you recognize different pitches, so that it doesn't matter if on the first pitch it was a curveball away and on the 20th pitch it was a fastball in, right? But, you know, that's actually something that I think over time uHIT will probably be integrating. And, you know, of course, if anybody's got some comments on that, we'd love to, you know, have your comments below in the comment section on this video about whether a situational, you know, module, let's say in uHIT, would be something that could be valuable. But I mean, even going back to our first days working with major league teams, we were working with the White Sox, and it was before Adam Engel was called up, and center fielder, and he did one of our assessments way before it was called uHIT, and he said, you know, the feedback he gave was like, you know, it's kind of weird for me because I'm looking for on a certain count a pitch in this part of the zone, and a certain count I'm looking for a pitch in that part of the zone. He had a plan, right, for every pitch, right? And, you know, we had designed the assessment, until still to this day, the assessment is not really measuring your ability to plan. It's more measuring your ability to anticipate in that short window of when the pitch is released to when it gets to the plate. But everything way before the pitch and everything after that pitch just doesn't matter for us right now. But, you know, over time, we're going to start getting to that before the pitch kind of context as well, kind of like, you know, the type of stuff that a hitter like Adam looks for, what you're talking about, to go up there with a plan. It could be a bad plan, it could need modification, but at least to go up there with the plan in mind, and with, you know, the kind of tools that I think that, you know, Bat Geer provides on the kinesthetic level, so that you have this kind of like, don't have to think about it plan of, I'm going to stay connected through the hands, I'm going to feel the bat going through the zone, and that's going to just give me the upstream info to remember where my hands are and where the barrel of the bat is going. And then even before that swing initiates, having the plan of, okay, I'm looking for a pitch in a certain part of the zone, it's got to be ending here. And what are the pitches like as they come from the release of the pitcher that are going to be ending up in that part of the zone. So tools like uHIT, tools like Bat Geer, I think combining really that kinesthetic side and the visual side to really make great hitters. So just want to wrap it up by giving people the opportunity to go to batgeer.com. That's BATGER, GEER, batgeer.com. And if you do end up getting a Bat Geer, you can send us a copy of the receipt and at uHIT, and we will give you a free month of uHIT custom training with Coach Hewitt. So that would be one free month of custom training. That's it's $32 a month for uHIT custom training. But if you send us your receipt from batgeer.com to any of our email addresses, support@deservo.com or info@deservo, it should be at the bottom of the screen right now, you'll be able to get one free month. So